Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from isocialyou.com, and in this video I want to talk about a recent change that Facebook made. Remember, there used to be on Facebook pages, the info and ads section. You could go to your competitor's Facebook page and look at all the ads that were running. Guess what? That's not there anymore. But Facebook has just moved things around, which is something that they do all the time. You can still spy on your competitor's Facebook ad. So let me show you how to do this now. So I'm gonna go to actually one of the pages. So let's click here. So this is one of the pages that we manage, and the info and ads section used to be right here. That's where people would go. You could go to your competitor's Facebook page, go on their info and ads section and look at all the ads that were running. But guess what? That's not there anymore. You cannot do it from this section. So what Facebook has done, actually they have made it easier to some extent. So what you gotta do now is go to the page transparency right here. So I'm gonna click on see more, scroll down, and then look at this ads from this page, and then view in ads library. So this is the change that Facebook has made. They have created sort of like a new product. I call it ads library, and here's the URL, facebook.com/ads/library. In this case I went to the ads library from the Facebook page, but you can directly go to this URL. And guess what? So if we scroll down, we can see all the ads this page is running. So the data, the information that we as marketers and business owners need is still there. So what I would suggest is actually bookmark this link right here, facebook.com/ads/library, and you can pretty much input any, for example, Chegg. It's one of the competitors that we watch. So I just input their name, and if I scroll down, here are all the ads that they are running. And this is really cool. I wish more people use this, because you can see what type of creatives they're using, what type of copy they're using, and what type of videos they're using for their advertisement. So cool. And let's say if I wanna, oh, this is really cool too. So you can also filter by different countries that they're running ads in. Amazing. Let's go back to United States. So let's put another name here. So I'm just gonna say I'm interested in knowing if Hertz is running any ads. So it's a car rental company in the United States, and look at this, they are, and here are all the ads that they're running. So cool. So that's it guys, that's what I wanted to show you in this video. The info and ad section has been moved to a new place on Facebook, and by the way, this is what I would tell you or suggest that you bookmark this link, facebook.com/ads/library, and then you can input any page name, filter by the country, and look at their ads that they're running actively or currently on Facebook. Now, make sure, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about tactics, tools, hacks, and experiments when it comes to marketing your business online. So make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.